Bitcoin reached really important key level, and it is a time to take a trade. Watch this analysis till then, because I will share with you my plan where I would take a trade and how you can make money with me. A few words about previous analysis here in this video. 2 days ago, I shared with you that in the case if price reach value area high, that potentially could be a good idea to take short. Also remind to you that here in our Telegram, we publish every BTC update and important analysis that will help you make money. What you do here in the description, join public Telegram, it's free. And what was the reason why we took that beautiful trade yesterday on BTC? It was an example for you. Have a look. Open interest increased by more than 10% with no result, plus price reached key zone value area highs. And after that, BTC dropped by 5%. Let's analyze on a bigger scale what we have as a new plans, but it's example for you when you trade key zone plus local confirmation from order flow. In that case, you have good win rate. Support with your like, push follow to be updated in the future. What's our next plans for the future? Before I tell you deeply, let's cover what was yesterday. You can see aggressive rise of open interest. No result. That's really important that there is no result. What price broke below it, and after that, our first target was exactly to take these key levels. That was PUC, and after that, honestly, I thought there would be rotation. Also, have a look in from order flow perspective how it looked. Additional reason why we took trade, because you can see I saw exactly into a high absorption. We had the positive delta with rise of open interest and no result. Positive delta with rise of open interest, no result, positive delta. And it was exactly a moment when we took a trade, and you can see how price after that did drop. What's our new plans? What we plan to do for the future? By the way, it is exactly a moment when I share a signal with our community to take a trade on BTC, on Solana, and many other coins. What we should do the next. At this moment, Bitcoin came to so important key zone. Why this key zone is super important for us? Because really depends what will be with the price. Because I would like to show you several examples based on the previous charts. You would see all of them. Bitcoin, you can see reached value area high. You can see this one. Value area high. At this moment, it is a key resistance on BTC. If BTC breaks through this resistance, it would be a signal that there would be no test of value area low. Because why I pay attention to this stuff at this moment, as I did in this post in our public Telegram, Bitcoin often after significant liquidation creates significant range. You can see. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you, those ranges after significant liquidation several times. What price did? You can see this liquidation. Significant volume, big liquidation event, and what BTC did after that, a range for approximately 60 days. Here, 60 days. After that, another really significant liquidation with massive volume spike. What BTC did? Yes, BTC did again significant range for how much? Yes, 60 days. It is not the first time when Bitcoin, after significant liquidation, create something like a range. Only in a rare cases, there would be something like this one or this one. Even in this case, they did retested value area low, and only after that did squeeze up. That's why if you would look on all of these pullbacks, what's in common on those pullbacks? That the price create fast recovery after big drop, and after that retest create a range. If price do exactly opposite after big drop, start ranging at bottom, often it would be exactly significant pump. That's why I share with you all of this stuff, because you need to know global picture of BTC, because in that case you will find best areas where to take a trade. That's why let's go and dive deeply what exactly we plan to take a trade. Before I invite you to join our community, because you can see on daily basis I share clear signals where to take trade with, where to set stop loss, where to do trailing stops. You can see this Ethereum signal. Also, on daily basis, I share with view, my friends, clear plans where price can move, because sometimes I can be out of computer and you still will be able to analyze. Even yesterday at 14:06, I recorded this about Solana and about Ethereum that I expect drop. And within few minutes, we took beautiful short trades, and price after that did really significant drop. You can be one of us, and even right now I send a signal with stop loss take profits and did update. Be with us, get it. Link would be exactly here in the description to this analysis. What's my plans as I shared with you? First plan, it is so simple. At this moment, we have this key level. As you can see, this point of control, this important key zone. At this moment, it is important resistance for us. If price of BTC fails to break it, I would expect a rotation to this key level, value area low, which is exactly approximately 48, 49 key area, as BTC did many times, as I shared with you exactly here in this very post. What's exactly entry point? First entry point we took exactly right now with my community. It was exactly here. My entry point reasons behind that entry point is so simple. Right now on BTC a few minutes ago, exactly in a moment, price reached high of a range with significant liquidation and big delta spike. Often it's a good signal to consider a trade. You can see exactly here, significant delta spike, volume, big pullback. Even here, big delta spike, pullback. Even here, big delta spike, what price did start at the range. And at this moment, what we have, big delta spike, drop of open interest, and a rise of volume more than 2 billion. And that was a reason why we took a trade here. Maybe there would be additional stop loss hunt. In that case, it would be possible to take a trade at approximately 57,600 area. If everything would be successful, our first target would be to take this low, and second target would be, of course, value area low. In what cases it might be not non-successful, and this idea would go against us? Friends, support me with your like and subscribe, because you will help us boost community and make more content for you that will help you make money. Love you. In a case only if Bitcoin close above all of this stuff, you should understand that this stuff it calls U-shaped recovery. This stuff it calls U-shaped recovery. This stuff would be possible only in a case if BTC breaks above this key level of this significant pullback. If price fails to close above it with rising open interest and slowly squeezing up, that's a signal that there would be no continue. Like continue chances for continue would be really small. Even have a look on this example, what BTC did after this significant liquidation previous time. They did this massive liquidation. After that, price retested value area low. Honestly, I would be so happy if something like this would happen again. But have a look how they did breakout. Breakout happened first time. It was a trap with stop loss hunt. And after that, they started squeezing with rise of open interest. That means if in what case I will cancel my plan and would close my short. Only in a case if BTC would do something like this. BTC would start ranging, squeezing up. This stuff would be a signal for me that there would be breakout. But for this price should be several days in a range. That's why so super summary for you. At this moment, we took short because price at value area high and significant delta spike exactly happened here. There could be additional higher high. In that case, it's potentially also good to take a trade. First target here and second target here. If price reaches this key zone, 48, 49 here, it would be the best opportunity to consider long. In a case, if price squeeze up here for several days and break above with rising open interest, that could be cancel of this scenario. That's why always set stop losses, because remember, we are not gods, we're only humans, and our major goal to find a place where we can make in many times more. Right now, I prepared for you a video lesson about my strategies that I used yesterday when we made money on Bitcoin and Solana for you to understand it and also make it in the future. That's why watch it right now.